This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined by gorgeous Mariah, who is going to be my beautiful model, and we're going to be taking photos from direct sunlight to this lovely sunset weather. I'm going to be walking you through what I do and how I do it, and I hope you like it. Before we get into this video, make sure to check out Mariah. She's going to be linked in the description below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And let's get right into the video. Have your leg kind of like crossed in front of me. Yes, gorgeous. So it is still really sunny. So I am just shooting on f5, 1600 of a second, ISO 100. You can even be a bit closer, it's fine. You're not gonna be in the shade. Yep, even closer if you want to. Yep, perfect. Beautiful. Oh yeah, love that, that's so pretty. Yes. What if this hand is kind of like in behind? Yeah, beautiful. Have this leg kind of a bit more crossed in front of the other one, not the other way they were. Yeah, perfect. And what if you go like this, kind of like this, and just like leaning a bit away from the wall? Yeah. And you can have your arms wider as well. Yeah, beautiful. And then maybe the legs kind of again. Yeah. Yeah, even if you like put your head there, kind of like dreamy. Yes, beautiful. And this hand, can you like bend it over? Yes, perfect. Yes, beautiful. That looks so pretty. Yeah, maybe if you're like holding it like this, kind of like, with both hands maybe even, perfect. And if you're doing that, you can flare your shoulders more. No, like the other way. Yes, perfect. And you can kind of like push your hips out a bit more. That's really nice. It just wants to be a bit more here even. Beautiful. So you know what, if you were standing like maybe 2 steps away from the wall, that would be really pretty. Okay. Because then if the wave splashes, it doesn't splash in your face. Yeah. Like this and just kind of like that. Yeah, beautiful. And if you push this hip out, yes, beautiful. And maybe one hand just kind of play with your hair or something. Yeah, beautiful. And let's get you like sitting down on the steps. So maybe like lower down. So maybe like your booty kind of like here, and then your legs down here. And maybe sit like on the side of your hip instead, and kind of maybe like lean back. So back on the stairs, yes, exactly, precisely, perfect, yeah. And this leg closer to the other one, yes. Ooh, not crossed, yeah, just like that, perfect. And this one can be a bit higher, yeah, beautiful. And just have your toes really elongated as much as possible, beautiful. So point your toes down, yes, perfect. Let's go even one down so your foot can be on the ground here. Yes, perfect. If you can sit as much as you can on your hip instead of on your butt per se, yes, exactly. And this leg kind of up, the one on top, yes, beautiful.
And now a word from my sponsor.
Squarespace is an all-in platform that will help you make your dream website, portfolio, or an online shop become a reality. Squarespace has hundreds of beautiful templates, so you will definitely find something that suits you and your personal style. You can build a professional portfolio website in a matter of hours, and you will be able to customize it every step of the way. So it's so you that nobody can deny it's not. As we all know, social media presence is power, and with Squarespace, you'll be able to auto-post all your content to Twitter, Facebook, or Tumblr with proper tags and descriptions. Finally, Squarespace helps you with the marketing. They help you with SEO, as well as some plugins for Instagram stories and so on, as well as share buttons, so your followers can give you some juicy shoutouts on their social media. If that sounds like something you'd like to try, make sure to go to squarespace.com for a free trial. And once you're ready to go, use my code squarespace.com/Anita to receive 10% off your first purchase.
Yeah, even if you want to kind of like play around with the water. Yes, exactly. Kind of like, yeah, slightly bending over, playing with the water, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous, yes. So don't really submerge your hands, have them kind of like grazing on top of the water. Yes. Yes, love that, that's so pretty. Yeah, I just want a video here. So for this video, you're just like this and have your eyes closed and maybe just like, you know, turn your head around slowly. And that's it. Okay, beautiful, and rolling, yeah. Beautiful. And can we get all your hair to the back? Beautiful. And super dreamy, super soft. Uh-huh. Perfect. Yes, love that. So pretty.
While we're here, I just wanted to pop in and mention that I just released my swimwear course where I'm covering A to Z of swimwear photography. So if that's something you want to check out, make sure you do. There's going to be a tiny little discount code in the description below.
Okay, Mariah, thank you so much for being my gorgeous model. Make sure you guys check her out in the description below. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.